In this video, you will learn to make 3D models in Blender using Python. We will make a staircase consisting of n number of steps. So, the prerequisites are the Blender software, a mouse, basic Python programming knowledge, concepts such as import and for loop is used here. Okay, so at first delete the default cube, then hold the middle mouse button and drag to go to the scripting section. Click new and give it a name. I'm using name as example.py. You can give it any name of your choice, but use the file extension .py at the end, which stands for Python. Click view, click sidebar, increase font size if you want to. Okay, so at first import BPY. BPY is Python module for Blender. Now click add, mesh and cube. Code is shown here in info tab, which shows some info about that cube, its size, location, scale, etc. Copy the code and paste it in text editor space. View, then word wrap to see the code properly. We just need location and scale information here, so delete the rest of it. Click on cube, hit S, then X, then 10 to scale it along x-axis 10 times. Click somewhere to exit the scale mode. Copy the new code from the tab and paste it in text editor. We just need the value, so delete the rest of the informations. So now to make staircase with n number of steps, I'm using for loop. So for I in range, then 2 parentheses, let's say 5, put colon. It is the basic syntax of a for loop in Python. Now indent these lines because it is essential in Python. It will make an iteration in range 5. So to make it work in location, add I times 2 for y and same for the z axis. The stairs will be in same x plane and incremented y and z planes. Hit the play button. Here it is. Stair with 5 steps. If you need more, hit Ctrl Z to undo. Now here put 10. Run the program and here it is. Thank you.